everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of the Swiss Beauty loose powder. So this is the most affordable loose powder I have ever used till now, and I really love this one, so I want to share my experience with you guys. And if you are interested to know how this loose powder works for me and whether it is worth the money or not, and if you don't know what loose powders are, I will be sharing with you all the details about the loose powder and how to use this and all in this video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, loose powder are something which are really important to set our base. So I will not say that this is a must have product, but someone prefers setting their base with compact powder or face powder, what you say, or some people prefer to set their base with loose powder. So it totally depends on your preference whether you want to use a loose powder or whether you want to use a face powder or compact powder. So I personally like the both of them. I don't have any requirement that I want to use face powder and I can't use loose powder, or I need only loose powder. I don't have any problem with both of them. I really love both of them, and both of them equally works for me. I don't really find huge difference in using loose powder or compact powder to set my makeup. So I am a oily skin kind of person, and if you are a dry skin, you don't really need to set your base with powder always. But if you have oily skin, then you must set your base with some powder, whether it is a compact powder or whether it is a loose powder. So in today's video I will be sharing it with you, the review of this loose powder which is from Swiss Beauty. And Swiss Beauty is a really very affordable Indian brand, and I really love all the products which I have used from Swiss Beauty till now. And this is like really affordable. The Maybelline loose powder, I think it cost 500 or 600 rupees something, and this Swiss Beauty one cost the half of it. It retails for only 249 rupees, and that's really affordable for a loose powder. So if you guys know what loose powder is, you probably have noticed that all the loose powder of the other brands are really very expensive. They are almost 500 rupees and up, but this is really affordable, 249 only. You can also use any compact powder to set your makeup, like this type of compact powder. This is from Faces Canada. So after you have applied your foundation and concealer and all your cream products, you need to set your base with the any powder. I mean, whether it is loose powder or compact powder doesn't matter at all. At least for me it doesn't matter. I just need a powder to set my base and that's it. And if you have any preference, you can choose. But guys, loose powder have another use which face powder or compact powder can't do, that is baking. So if you guys don't know what baking is, so baking is basically a type of setting your base, if I say it in simple words. So you have to apply a thick layer of powder under your eyes and at your T-zones especially, and after few seconds you need to dust off the excess powder. So what happens that it really prevents your makeup from creasing. So I have purchased this one from Nykaa, and this is also available in other stores such as Flipkart, Amazon and purple.com. So I will attach all the links in the description box below, so if you want to buy this, you can surely check out the links. And the packaging of this product is like this. This is a normal black color cardboard packaging, and when you open this, here is the inner packaging of the product. This comes in a plastic bottle with a black lid and a transparent bottom. So here you can see that here is the powder is white color, but it doesn't leave any white cast on your face because it is really finely milled. So you have to roll it like this, and when you open this, you get a small little puff here, but I don't use it. I like to use loose powder with a powder brush, and you get another lid which you have to remove. And normally I don't like to keep this lid on because it is really hard to remove every time I use it. So I will not use this puff and this lid. I will throw this after this review because I have just kept it for the review purpose. So here is the powder. You are getting a really very good quantity of powder here, because you really need a little bit amount to set your base, and even if you use it as baking, you will really last long with this powder. So you need to take a brush like this. Any powder brush will work, and then you have to take powder and just dab the excess, and then you have to apply it under your eyes and at your T-zone. And if you are a very oily skin kind of person, you can also set your whole face with this powder, but you really have to dab the excess off. Don't use it like this. You have to really dab it like this. There you go. So guys, this retails for 249 rupees as I told you, and I didn't get any discount when I buy this. And you can surely get any discount if you wait and just add it in your cart and wait for the discount to arrive. So I didn't do that because I wanted to have a loose powder, because I have run out with my all loose powders. So I bought this and I didn't wait for the discount. But now I think there is some good discount in the websites. So guys, that is it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload a video you will get notified. And also do let me know in the comment section below what you think of my videos, and whether you prefer using a loose powder or a compact powder. I really love to know that. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.